Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of turning on restricted mode in YouTube on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC and sign in to your account. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to youtube.com. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. At the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, scroll down to the bottom and click on Restricted Mode. Step 4. A top right box will open. To turn on restricted mode, click on Activate Restricted Mode to toggle it to blue. By following these steps, you can easily turn on restricted mode in YouTube on your PC, providing a safer browsing experience with filtered content. And there you have it. You now know how to turn on restricted mode in YouTube on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.